studying in Brain International School. Today I recite the poem on nature that is written by my own. So let's get started. The sun is shining, the sky is blue, the birds are flying and the breeze is so cool. Mother Nature is trying her best to give nothing but beautifulness. But what we do, make her a mess. Let's make her best by polluting less and less, and preserve green grass for kids and the rest.